This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm an experienced Shopify store owner. Today I'm going to show you how to rearrange your main menu. Let's get started. So this is my Shopify store. We're looking at one of my blog posts. And you can see at the top I have my main menu with the different items here. What I want to do is I want to take the FAQ or the FAQ and I want to put it right before contact. And this is how to do it. What you need to do first is to go to your Shopify store. So this is my Shopify dashboard. You're going to go to Content, then you're going to select Menus, and then you'll see a couple different options here. So what I have is the main menu and the footer menu. The main menu is the one at the top. So this is the one that I want to edit. I'm going to click it. And you can see it says menu items. And then it shows all of the different items that I just showed you earlier in the order that they currently are. To change the order, kind of grab one of them. So I'm grabbing the FAQ and I'm dragging it down to right above contact and then letting it go. You must click save. Okay? So it says menu updated. Let's go back to the blog and see what it looks like. So FAQ is currently like 2 items or 3 items to the left of contact. Let's see what happens when I reload the page. And there it is. You can see it's just to the left of contact, which is exactly what I wanted. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.